The best side hustle that you may have not even thought about yet is dog walking. As you guys have seen on social media, I'm sure you've seen it, because who doesn't love dog pictures? I've even become a dog person. I wasn't before. There's a lot of people, cameras this way. Doesn't even know these little camera shy still. There's a lot of people got dogs during the pandemic, which is amazing, because the world needs more dogs and less people. Actually, that sounds bad. We just need more dogs and more people. But dogs are awesome. So you're seeing your friends getting dogs, and you're seeing dogs popping up. People are buying dogs, and they needed the company. But now, like, life's kind of going back to normal, so people are going back to work, or they're not at home as much, and the poor dogs have no one to hang out with. So get an app like Rover and consider dog walking. Like I said, I love going for walks, and I've come to love dogs. So it's a perfect way to make some money. And if you don't get accepted on Rover, which hopefully you do, because Rover makes it easy to find dogs in your area, you can start your own dog walking or dog sitting business. I mean, look at this guy. How could you not enjoy hanging out with him? Now he wants all the camera attention. So you get yourself, you sign up on Rover, or you just put up ads in your, on Facebook groups or in your community, and you get your exercise in, and you get to hang out with dogs. It's a win-win. So dog walking, he's not my friend yet, huh? Could become the best side hustle that you never even thought about yet. Another perfect side hustle for those who want to stay active is to start an Airbnb experience. Because when you're walking dogs for Rover, you're going to be getting your steps in, you're going to be out and about, you get to be with dogs. That's pretty awesome. But if you want to take it to the next level and get into shape or stay in shape and do stuff outside, start an experience. So we've gone over this in other videos, but an Airbnb experience is essentially any activity. So I personally ran a coffee crawl. It was a coffee and walking tour, so we drank coffee and walked. I think that's the perfect mix. You get a little buzz, you go for a walk, you check out different coffee shops, but you can take it a step further. Every city needs more walking tours. Think about it. The first thing that you do when you land in a new city is you want to explore. You want to see coffee shops, food. You want to know the history. You want to know the sites. So what do? You go on a walking tour. So any kind of walking tour will always be a hit on the Airbnb platform. It doesn't matter what city you live in. Obviously, if you live in Toronto or New York, you might get more people. But every district, every suburb needs its own walking tour because people want to explore. You can take it one step further and have a walking tour where you do hikes. This isn't really a hiking trail, it's just by the lake. We can bring people to a place like this. You show them like things off the beaten path, literally. You go for it, there's no path. You just go find a little spot, you show people hidden gems. If you're an avid hiker, which I'm not, I just look up trails near me. You can show people trails. You can go on hiking tours with people. You can take as far as you want. You can combine food and hiking, coffee and hiking. We got some ducks interrupting us here. What are the odds of that? But any kind of walking tour will be awesome because you get to stay fit, make money, and meet people around the world with similar interests. Stay tuned for option 3. Option 3, if you want to start a side hustle that helps you stay fit or get fit, is to deliver food or deliver groceries or deliver booze, deliver anything. If you live in a decent sized city, delivery services have gone through the roof. I don't have any stats, but I have a friend who delivers booze, and he's been making money like crazy because everyone's ordering alcohol. I know, obviously, you shouldn't be drinking every day, but we're adults to make our own decisions, and people are ordering booze like never before. So another friend got into delivering food on bicycle, because in Toronto you can do it on bike or on foot. I mean, if you want to do it on foot, it's a bit extreme. It might take longer, but I mean, you'll get more steps in. But on bike, he's getting extra rides in, clicks, like extra exercise in, and if you do a 4-hour shift, you can make $100 at least, or a couple $100. There's money to be made. So if you have a bike, if you love to walk, if you love to cruise around, sign up for Uber Eats, DoorDash. There's a million different ways to make money with delivering groceries or delivering food. Sign up for one of the apps and test it out. Obviously, there could be peak hours. There could be cities that have more demand. You'll get the feel for it. These ducks just won't leave us alone today. But you'll get the feel for it. Try it out. You'll find yourself cruising around the city. You'll make extra money, and you'll get that activity in. Good luck.